Good afternoon, my friends. Here on ATSI channel. Today we are going to explore Redmi. You will learn how to open screen time on Redmi. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Open settings. Then scroll down. If you want to open screen time on Redmi, tap on digital well-being. Screen time today 38 minutes. App activity details, screen time. Good. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was useful for you. Don't forget to watch my other videos and to like them. Wish you best. Bye bye.